Listen to the upcoming 3 sentences and find out the differences. Sita is checking her mail in laptop and after some time she will go out. Tomorrow she will check out from this hotel. In the first sentence, checking is the verb and in the second one, out is an adverb. In the third one, both combined and gives a different meaning as a phrasal verb. Check out means leave from the hotel. In English, phrasal verbs are combination of main verb and one or more particles, usually adverbs or prepositions. These combinations create a new meaning that is often different from the original verb. Let's check out some of the examples. Sort out. It means to organize or resolve a problem. Did she sort out the problem? Yes, she solved the problem. Break out. It means to start suddenly or to escape. Where did the fire break out in our street? Ruby building caught fire yesterday. Fill out means to complete a form or document. Did candidates fill out the application form? Yes, they have completed the form. If you enjoy the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you can stay updated with our new content. Stay tuned.